Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to use retro style effects actions for Adobe Photoshop. Here are few examples of retro effects. So the first step is to load patterns and actions. The easiest way is to use File Open command. Navigate to .atn and .pat files which you have received, select them, then click on Open button. Now you have loaded patterns and actions which are available from Window Actions panel. Recommended way to create text retro effects is to create blank new document with 300 pixels per inch resolution. Set type size to 72 points, then type desired text, and lastly play action. You can play action play all to generate all available retro effects, or use PDF help file to preview effects and to decide which one you want to apply to your text. Just quick note that actions will also work with shape or pixel based layer. You can also distort or warp text before playing actions. In this case I will play action play all, which will play all other actions in this set. When action finish playing, open Window History panel and start clicking on Saved Snapshots to preview all created effects. For effects 7 and 8 you must change background color to something other than white. All effects are customizable. You can change color, stroke, depth, line, shadow color and so on. Once you have customized effect, you can move it in any other open document or to save it for later use. When moving to some other open file, it is recommended to select all layers and groups and to convert them to Smart Object layer. Another way to use actions is in multi-layered documents. Type your text, ensure that text size is 72 points in documents with 300 pixels per inch resolution, or 300 points in documents with 72 pixels per inch resolution. With type layer selected, play any available action to generate desired effect. As already mentioned, you can use PDF help file for a reference and to choose effect for your project. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you have any further question or support request, please use email address provided to you in PDF help files.